dictation, you need your notebook and paper and a pencil. Please write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Number 1, sleep, sleep, sleep. Repeat, sleep. What are the sounds in sleep? Sleep. What are the sounds? How many sounds? Sleep. 4 sounds. Can you write it? Number 2, green, green. The color is green. The color is green. Repeat, green. What sounds do you hear in green? How many sounds? What are the sounds? Green. Can you write it? Number 2. Number 3. Spoon, spoon. I eat soup with a spoon. Spoon. Repeat, spoon. Spoon. What sounds do you hear in spoon? Spoon. 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 How many sounds? Can you write it? Number 4, crib, crib. The baby sleeps in the crib, right? The baby sleeps in a crib. Crib. Repeat, crib, crib. What sounds do you hear in crib? Crib, crib. Crib. Can you write it? Number 4. Okay, number 5. Number 5 is a sentence. Number 5 is a sentence. So, pencils down. Wait, just listen. Just listen. Today, he will sleep in the crib. Today, he will sleep in the crib. Can you count the words? So listen and count the words. Today, he will sleep in the crib. How many words? Today, Today he will sleep in the crib. Today he will sleep in the crib. Can you repeat it? Mm-hmm. 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 7 words. Can you write? Today he will, future, sleep in the crib. Are you finished? Number 5, today he will sleep in the crib. If you're not ready, stop. If you're finished, here are the answers. You can check your paper. Can you read them with me? Number 1, sleep. Number 2, green. Number 3, spoon. Number 4, crib. And number 5, today he will sleep in the crib. Capital, period. Finished.